Hi guys, Danny here from Boxmate with an update review for our latest release, version 4.5. This update for the coaches comes alongside a big update for the members, and across the platform we introduce a range of new features for programming and the members to use in the app. So let's jump in and take a look at some of those features.
So first up, let's take a look at some improvements to programming. Following a recent survey that we sent out to you coaches, the general consensus was that you wanted to see improved programming input speed and new features. So that's exactly what we did. So first up, let's head over to our new section called Weeks. From the sidebar, click Programming and then select Weeks. Weeks lets you view a side-by-side display of all of that week's programming from either 4 to 7 days. When you're viewing the weeks, you can easily click inside Session Details, Coach's Notes, or Workout Details, and then simply click outside of the box to make that change. So, if you want to make small changes to a workout, you can easily do that here. Side by side, you can paste in new details, links, and also you can quickly modify the session visibility settings. So here for Thursday, the components are currently hidden. If we want to quickly change that to visible, single click and that's done. From the new weeks view, you can also prepare and build a full week of sessions and then quickly input programming, whether that's typing it out or copy and pasting it from a third-party source. So head to the week you want to program for using the arrows on the calendar. Click Prepare Week, choose the session visibility, hit Prepare, and that's a full week of sessions built in a single click. Now, you can just click to edit session details, click outside to save, exactly the same with Coach's Notes, and then you can use the brand new Quick WOD feature inside of Weeks programming to click, select the type, and then just update these details to paste in your workout that you're going to be copying. Click outside, that workout is now saved and so is the session. As you can see, uploading programming this way is a lot faster. This works for session details, coach's notes, and building quick WODs which don't require any advanced settings or data tagging. If you want to do that, you can just go into Edit the Session by clicking the orange button, and from here you'll see the new single page session builder. Everything here is on a single view and you can just make changes as you normally would to the sessions. So to add exercises to this session, search for your exercise, even add sets, and then hit save to take you back to the weeks view with this updated now in that session. So that's how you prepare and build sessions in the weeks view. Side by side, copy and paste or write out the session details, coach's notes, and build any quick workouts. If you do need to add advanced options to a workout or build any exercises, click the edit button to jump into the session builder, and then when you save, you'll be brought straight back out to the weeks view again. We think you're going to love Weeks, our new program view. We ran some tests, and side-by-side comparison to the previous method of program upload brings a 40 to 50% reduction in time uploading a week's programming. So this really is going to save you some serious time when it comes to building sessions. As you saw in the previous section, we have a new session builder, everything on a single page to speed things up even further. So you have your settings, your details, and your components. We've also got a couple of new features in here. First up, Quick WOD, which again you've previously just seen. Quick WOD lets you click, choose the type, and then either use the template or paste in your own details. Once you click save, that workout is then built with the session. No need to click, enter the full details which sometimes you may not need, like the data tagging, custom images and videos. If that's not required, you can just use Quick WOD and it'll save you time. We also have draft sessions and templates. If you want to save this as a draft and finish it off at a later date, click draft, the date will disappear, and then when you click save session, this will go to a new draft section. The draft section can be accessed from Programming, Drafts and Templates. From here, you can see the session we just built and saved as a draft. You have two options. Click Actions, and you can edit this session give it a date and program it. Or you can template this session, which does the same, opens up to edit, you can select a date and program, but it will leave the session in the drafts to be used again as a future template. Also in the session builder, we've now brought full editor notes to components. So you can use multi-line, formatting, and make your notes really stand out for the members in the app. When building and uploading your workouts, you now have a new workout type. This workout type is called comment. What this allows you to do is build a workout that may be for quality or doesn't have an RX, doesn't really need to be scored with reps, rounds, time, etc. But you still want the member to be able to input a comment which can show as a score. So something that you want them to log something for, but doesn't necessarily need to be a score. Finally, in programming, we have updates to the global libraries. Head to Library and Global to see the new page. From here, you can view workouts and exercises in the global library and click to see the changes if there's an update available. And then click and select which items you want to sync, and then sync selected or sync all. Along with the workout library, which has been around for a while, we've added an exercise library. Now in here, we've upgraded the default Boxmate exercise library from 86 to 324 exercises, which you can view here and click to select the ones you want, press sync, and that'll import into your local Boxmate library for use by yourself and the members in the app. Another feature we're super excited about, which is going to be great to use during this current situation, is Member Spotlight. So this is going to keep your members motivated and on top of the training. To find this, head to Members from the sidebar and then click Spotlight. From this page, what you can do is you can select a member from your gym to Spotlight. You can do a write-up, select a category, attach an image, and when you press send, this is going to nudge that member and they're going to open the Boxmate app to a Spotlight page with confetti, and it's going to make them feel awesome. Other members are also going to be able to see these spotlights in a new section under community, and they can comment on them and add their kind words and just boosting that member motivation and engagement. This is what your spotlights are going to look like. Here's an example. So you've got the image, the write-up, and then a title. So this is what the member's going to see, the other members will see, and we think it's going to be a really great way, especially right now, to stay in touch with the members and keep everybody motivated. The final thing we want to take a look at in this video is something you may have seen us teasing if you follow us on social media, and that is Boxmate Plus. So Boxmate Plus is our premium tier with advanced features, which is going to be rolling out later this year. To take a look and register your interest, click the Boxmate Plus icon in the bar at the top and take a look at the features. Then make sure you click and register your interest so that we can keep you up to date with what's happening. Shortly after lockdown, we realised that there were two things coaches were starting to push, and that was online personal training and the use of competitions to keep members engaged. So what we did is we pulled forward these two features, and we are releasing those today as early feature previews from the Plus package, but free to use during lockdown through the coronavirus situation. So let's take a look at Boxmate PT first. Boxmate PT gives you a new calendar view PT dashboard of all of your clients and their programming. So add and manage your clients from your members list. Click to view individual clients or view all to see their sessions on the calendar, and then simply click to open a session, view the session details and the scores which have been logged, exactly for that session, not the PBs. View the client feedback, which they can now mark in the members app as complete and add feedback for the session. And also chat back and forth with PT chat notifications, which will go straight through to your member's device, and then you can comment back to all your individual members from here. To build sessions for a client, simply click their name in the clients list and then click inside a specific day on the calendar to be presented with the familiar session builder, which you already know how to use. If you've just finished building some sessions for a client, you can click to announce the programming, add a message, and they'll receive a notification to the members app which will take them straight to the personal programming page where they can see the PT sessions and then log the scores, mark complete, and add feedback. When any of your clients mark a session as complete, you yourself will be notified. This way you can jump onto the PT dashboard, check the results and the members' feedback. Here you can also spark up a conversation to talk about how the session went. Boxmate PT is in its very early stages. We'd love for you all to give this a try with any of your clients. Let us know of any feature suggestions, improvements, or any issues that we can resolve. And what we hope to achieve is a platform which you can do everything from. Manage the box programming, the interaction and engagement with your members as a whole box, but also bring in your PT clients from other apps into Boxmate to create an all-in-one solution. The second early feature preview from Boxmate Plus is competitions. Run a competition in Boxmate. Let it handle everything. The leaderboards, the registration, and you can even reach out and nudge members to their app. The overall leaderboards will be populated on a points-based system, and you can have multiple categories for members to be registered to. Head to competitions now and read the full instructional document to see all of the features that are available at this moment.
So that's it for this update. As you can see, we've made huge improvements across the board with regard to programming. For the members, we've also updated their app. Now this includes a redesigned user interface which focuses on speed, performance and ease of use. Alongside this, we've developed and released a member handbook. This is a PDF which the members can use and see in the app, and this is also going to be sent out to all gyms eventually. So, to view a more in-detailed post about all of these features, check out the release blog, which will be linked below. Also, inside the Coaches app, head to the Learn section to view all of our in-depth video tutorials, which you will also find prompts for in each individual area of the app too. So, thank you very much, and see you later.